Hey everybody, if you're new here, welcome to my channel. If you're oldie but still goodie, welcome back. It's your girl Everything Key, aka Kiana. I'm coming to you with an unboxing, but this is my second time doing this video. I already did it before and I kind of feel like dang, because I hadn't seen what was in the box and I was excited, and so now it's like you're gonna get my reaction, but it's not like my first reaction because it was a hot mess. I was too excited and I didn't know how to pronounce half of the products, but let's just get into the video. So here we go. So I have this Ipsy box. This is my first time receiving this box. Yes, it is open because, as I said before, this is my second take, but we're gonna make it do what it do. So I do have this box. This box is $25 a month. And it's a subscription box for makeup, natural hair products, and skincare. But you know, I don't wear makeup, so I only want it for the skincare and the hair products and like the lippies. But we're gonna get into it and see what's in here. So this is for June 2019, and again, this is my first box I ever received. So I'm first gonna show you the products that actually come in the box, which are 5 full-size products. I'm gonna show you those products first, and then I'll show you the add-ons that I pay additional prices for. So the first thing that we get in the box is I got this Pixi by Petra. This is a Lash Lift 188. So this is just a double brush mascara. It looks like this, and I'm not going to take it out of the packaging because I'm going to give it away, so I don't want to take it out of the packaging. The next thing I have is this C.E.O vitamin C rich hydration cream, and this is Sunny O'Reilly. That's the brand. It's 1.7 ounces. It looks like this. So this card did come in here, and I'm just going to read what it says. It says that this product is $65. Okay. With the compliments of clean formulas and pure, effective ingredients, Sunday Riley makes products you can feel good about using. This moisturizer is infused with vitamin C to help fight skin damage and visibly brightens your skin while adding a dewy, luxurious glow. Okay, so you can massage this into your skin in the AM and the PM. So they said this was $65, y'all. It smells really, really good. It has like an orange tint to it, and it smells like oranges as well. So I'm super excited to use that, and when I do use it, I am going to do a review for you all. So it looks like this. Again, this was $65. So the next thing we get in the box, we have this Generation Clay Urban Defense Purifying Pink Clay Mask. So this is $39. And it says, by combining purifying clay with Australian botanical ingredients, this brand creates products that leave your skin feeling and looking clean and healthy. This mask is loaded with good for you ingredients like some sort of plum to brighten skin and a deep cleaning of the clay. So the clay is going to add that deep cleaning that you need for your face. It says it cleanses, purifies, and leaves your skin dewy, glowy, and gorgeous. So I'm just going to take it out of the container for you. This is how it looks when you take it out of the container. And you open it up. It has a seal on it. So when you take the seal, it looks like this. It doesn't smell too good, but I'm excited to use this. I haven't used like a skin product in forever. So I'm super excited because sometimes my skin don't be doing me right. It do not be doing me right. So the next thing we have in this box is a palette. This is the, let me get the paper out. This is the Tetris X Ipsy Game On eyeshadow palette. So this is an eyeshadow palette, and it says the value is $24. It says we partnered with iconic video game Tetris on its 35th anniversary to create a limited edition collection celebrating our different sizes, shapes, colors, and unique beauty. This shadow palette comes with 6 richly pigmented, vibrant, buildable shades to create an eye look you want. Okay, so let's look at it. I'm not going to swatch it because I'm giving this away because I don't wear this stuff. But this is how the packaging looks when you take it out. And let me just not blind you with the mirror. So this is how they look. They're pretty okay colors. I mean, I like the little glittery colors, but I mean, whatever. But this is how it looks. So I will be giving this palette away. And again, this was $24 for this, the value. So if you're interested, I'll let you know when I'm doing the giveaway. When I get to 300 subscribers, I'll be doing the giveaway for this product. And also maybe this product. So the last thing that we got in this box was this Jolii Luxe Cream Matties. They came in a pack of 3, and these are $54. It says liquid lipstick, please, not anymore. Jolii Matte's formula is super creamy, hydrating, and rich thanks to a magical blend of shea butter and jojoba oil. With a trio of shades that look amazing on everyone, like a dark plum, a understated rose, and the ruby red you've been dreaming of. Consider your summer lip wardrobe complete. And don't worry about dry, patchy spots. The soft, matte finish looks super smooth and even velvety. And I have this one on now because I did actually swap them in a previous video. But I have this one on and it's not dry at all. I will do a whole review, but I really actually like it. So let me just show you the colors that we have. I'll swatch them for you. So we have this one. So this must be the plum color right here. And I'm going to put it right here. So this one is this. This is the plum color right here. And then we have a understood rose, which is this one. And I like that one because it's subtle. This is the one I have on now right here. The understood rose. And then we have this, the ruby red you've been dreaming of. This is really, really bright. It looks like this right here. So I really like them. I love the way they finish. And they don't hardly have any payoff. Like, they don't hardly come off your mouth. I really like that. So these were $54, which is really, really cool. Those are all the things that actually came in the box. So again, let me just go over the things we have. We have these for $54. And then we got this clay, this moisturizing cream for $65. We also got this Urban Defense Purifying Pink Clay Mask. This was $39. We got this Mascara Brush for $18. And then we have this palette for $24. So that was 5 products. So they actually sent the email saying they had additional products if you wanted to purchase them. Some were $12 and some were $3. So I went ahead and purchased 3 products for $3. I was like, what the hey. So I got this Pearly, I'm not sure how to pronounce this. It's a watermelon energizing marshmallow peel off mask. It just sounded so good, like watermelon and marshmallows. Like, really? It purifies your pores, brightens your skin, and it visibly firms and tightens your skin. It looks like this. It was $3 for this. This is 0.5 ounces. So when I use this, I will make sure to do a review for you all. The next thing I got was a lip gloss. I can never have too many lip glosses, so I definitely jumped on this for $3. And this is the same brand as the brush, the mascara brush. It's the Pixi by Petra. And I'm just going to see if I can swatch it for you all at the bottom. It's really, really light. Oh my God, but it smells so, so good. It smells like peppermint. I was thinking about putting this on top of here, but I really like how it just has that matte look. I really like that right now. So I did pick that out, and that was $3 as well. The last thing I got, which was not a part of the box, it was an additional $3, is another one of the little matte lipsticks. But this is in a different color. It says Lilla or Layla. It looks like this. I'm going to swatch this one for you. This one's a little brighter than the other one. So this is the one I have on, and this is the other one, which is a little brighter. So I think they're really, really nice, and I'm just so excited. I can't wait to try these products that I haven't tried. Those are all the things that I received in the box, plus the additional items. Overall, this entire box was the $200 value. Not counting the things that I bought in addition, but it was $200. So to get this for $25 and then the value of it be $200 is just so, so amazing. I'm so sorry, like, y'all couldn't see my like actual reaction because I already did the video again, but I'm super excited to try these, and I'm going to make sure that I record videos when I do try the products out and review them and things for you all. But you all be looking for a giveaway when I get 300 subscribers on this palette right here, as well as this mascara. Maybe the mascara, but definitely I'm getting rid of the palette. So be looking out. Y'all make sure y'all hit that subscribe button down below so y'all can see when your girl posts a video, and cut on that bell. And make sure you visit me on Instagram at Musics44. But until next time, peace.